Let's make some magic. Book magic. My name's Alberti, and I love to decorate. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the perfect book club gathering. You can't have a story without drama. So today, we're going to bring you the light, the color, the patterns and textures, as well as the bookshelves. We're bringing it right to the table with the books. That's going to give you the perfect setting for your conversations. Let's talk color. So the purpose of the book club is to get people together so that you can talk about creative and different ideas and different takes on your book. Add color to the table because that's going to inspire people the second that they approach your gathering. Whether it's through flowers, maybe it's through your glassware, or just some knickknacks that you have from around your home, all of those different elements are going to spark conversation and creativity and add to that flow. Now, the reason we're able to use so many different colors on the table is because we actually grounded all of those elements using a natural runner as well as beautiful wood chargers that all have a neutral tone to it. Going along with your color scheme, you're going to want to also incorporate different types of patterns and texture into your table. We've used different salad plates that all have different prints and patterns. We also incorporated different textures into our table. Do I have a shadow? Is this lighting making me look? Wait a minute. Let's talk lighting. Whether you're doing a brunch or an evening gathering, you still want to incorporate some sort of lighting on the table, whether that's candlelight, flameless candles, you want to use votives, have all of those different elements scattered throughout the table so that it makes everyone not only feel special, also it'll give you that romantic glow. And don't forget the books, whether they're ones that you've already read or ones that are coming up on your book list, they're sure to spark a lot of conversation just seeing the titles and the covers laying on the table. Well, we've all heard of movie magic. How about book magic? Look at what we've built here on the table. We built this beautiful structure. Whether you think of it as a library, a bookshelf, it's going to be the centerpiece that brings together all of your books, all of your ideas, so that when everybody sits at the table, they can get creative. As with every place setting, you know what I say, layers equal luxury. So we're gonna pile on the layers that are gonna add to the texture and the charm of this gathering. First, we start out with a beautiful wood charger. This one has more of a natural look and feel. Then we brought in a white beaded edged charger that's gonna give us a lot of texture, but also keeps it neutral. Then we add on our dinner plates, and of course, last but not least, add on your salad plates. This time, we're gonna have different patterns and prints for each individual. One, it reflects their personality, and two, it adds to the overall color and eclectic look and feel of the table. For our flatware, we used a beautiful brushed brass set, and then we finished off the look at our place setting with a beautiful goblet. Instead of the traditional place card holder, why not get crafty and create a beautiful party favor that they can take with them? We took a beautiful feather, we cut it at an angle so that it looked like a quill. Then we wrapped and glued twine around the base. We added letter charms to spell out the names of our guests, so now the whole party favor acts as a place card. In conclusion, when throwing a book club gathering, whether you're incorporating books, color, light, texture, patterns, more is more.